Have you ever asked yourself questions like, what is coding? How do computers understand instructions? Why is coding considered such a valuable skill today? Did you know every app, website, and game you use started with just a few lines of code? What if you could build your own apps, websites, or games? What is coding? Coding, also known as programming, is the process of giving instructions to a computer so it can perform specific tasks. Think of it as writing down step-by-step directions for the computer to follow, much like creating a recipe. Each step must be clear and precise, so the computer knows exactly what to do. Just as humans communicate using different languages, like English, Spanish, or Mandarin, computers use programming languages to understand commands. Some of these languages include Python, known for its readability and simplicity, used for applications, data analysis, data cleaning, and more. JavaScript, the language of the web, powering the front and back end of interactive websites. C++, a powerful language often used in game development. VBA, commonly used for automating tasks in Microsoft Office. Note that VBA will be used frequently in more of our upcoming Microsoft Office 365 tutorials. Each of these languages serves a specific purpose but follows the same basic principle, breaking down complex tasks into a series of understandable instructions for the computer to execute. How does coding work? At its core, a computer only understands binary code, sequences of ones and zeros, also known as machine code. Every instruction you give a computer is eventually translated into binary because the hardware can only process electrical signals represented by two states, on, 1, and off, 0. Why don't we write directly in binary? Writing in binary directly would be extremely difficult and time-consuming for humans. Imagine writing hundreds of lines of ones and zeros just to display a simple message. Instead, we use high-level programming languages like Python, which are easier for humans to understand. These languages are then translated into binary code through a process called compilation or interpretation. Let's look at a basic example. Here's a simple Python command. Print hello world. This line of code tells the computer to display the message hello world on the screen. But what happens behind the scenes? 1. Human-readable code, Python. You write the instruction using clear, readable language. 2. Translation into machine code. The Python interpreter reads your instruction and translates it into low-level machine code that the computer can process. 3. Binary code execution. The final step is converting your message into binary. Each character in hello world has a corresponding ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, value, which is then turned into binary. Here's a breakdown of the phrase hello world in binary form. Why learn coding? You might be wondering, why should I learn a code? Here are just a few powerful reasons. Automate repetitive tasks. Save time by writing scripts that handle tedious jobs automatically. Build websites and mobile apps. Create your own digital products. Develop video games. Bring your creative ideas to life and share interactive experiences with others. Analyze large data sets. Discover patterns, insights, and solutions by working with big data. Advance in AI and machine learning. Build cutting-edge models that can learn and make predictions. Programming isn't just for software engineers. It's a valuable skill for business owners, data analysts, researchers, and anyone looking to improve efficiency and unlock new career opportunities. In today's digital age, understanding code gives you the power to create, innovate, and problem solve. Now you have a deeper understanding of what programming is and how it works under the hood. From writing simple instructions to understanding how those instructions are broken down into binary, you've just taken your first step into the world of coding. In the next episode, we'll cover variables and data types, the foundational building blocks of any programming language. These are the tools you'll use to store and manage information in your code. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity and programming content. Thanks for watching.